Happy Mother's Day, all. This is what I did on Mother's Day. I wanted the deck built, the back deck for our rustic house. So this is my Mother's Day gift. Steve said, okay, I'll build it.
More like a wife's day gift.
A wife's day gift. But we're finally done with this deck. Isn't it cute? And right there we'll have to open that up and put a door. But so that you get an idea from the different angles. This is going to be done exactly like this in the front. Now there's Steve. We got pretty red today. We're going to be hurting. My little access door. We're going to close up that door. Change that light out. So little by little, it's like Steve and I. Nobody else wants to help us. Everybody ran away. So that's what we did today, and we're counting. I'm gonna put the same railings. I wanted the black railings more for the rustic look. So the post here will be a little bit taller, about 40 inches. Back there it's 37. But we'll be doing this another day. Took us a day to do this. But now that we know how to put that Dexter on kit, we'll pretty much high whip through it a little bit quicker. It was our first time doing that. So that's where we're at in here. We can walk in here and you can see what else we still need to do. A lot more. A lot more. The walls have been prepped. I put in the metal and I just stained the railings so that'll go up. And I painted the inside windows. Spray painted them black, and we have this really pretty green that we're going to put on the walls, and we'll be staining it. Got our HVAC in, that's returned. We're going to put wood up here for the ceiling. It'll be stained wood. Water heater will go there, washer and dryer will go there. Working and getting everything underneath the house done. We still got to wrap the water lines, but everything's hooked up and ready to go. This is my vanity. I'll be sanding and staining and sealing the top. We came in here and put Luan down on the floor, and we decided to do a black shower pan. It's not plastic, it's the real deal with a black drain and backsplash, or I shouldn't say backsplash, but back splash or back, or whatever you call it. This around is going to be the metal sheets cut down. Our barn doors will go up. So little by little we're working on this. We've been working on the other house too. That's gonna look so cool with the pretty green all over the walls in every single room. And my railings, that will go up after I paint. It'll look really pretty. So what we decided to do is put a security door here instead of a barn door, because this is going to lead open to that window right there. That's going to get cut out to put a screen door. And that's going to go up in the shower. So we had put these up. That'll all come down. We'll have screen, and we got to go up there and seal that all up. So put the wood up There, we'll leave this open. We'll take down all that insulation so you can see the metal roof. And all this will be screened. So, it's been a long process, but on the physical side of trying to do all this, Steve and I can only do so much. And we work together as a group because that makes things go a little bit quicker. There's the other house. I don't know if you can see it. Started putting up the skirting down there, which is going to be cement board. And they started framing the front porch for that house. And extra wood we got to pick up and throw away. So that's it for today. Where are you? Can't see. Oh, there you are.